charging is complete. The test will commence in 4 seconds.
15 vehicles went through tests like this.
We're adding 9 new winners to our list of top safety pick winners. 6 are top safety pick plus award winners, and 3 vehicles earned the regular rating of top safety pick.
The other 6 tested, which included 2 Audis, a Kia, a Mitsubishi, and a pair of Toyotas, missed out on the awards.
Many of them struggled with the rear occupant, having the belt in the right place. Also, some of them had increased risk of chest injuries. And so we'd like to see those vehicles do better in those tests, and I expect they will in the near future.
What is it about the rear belts that doesn't seem to be working for the backseat passengers?
You know, we have a smaller occupant in the back, and so the struggle is that the belt stays in the right location. It doesn't ride up where there's a potential for injuries to the abdomen. We also see risk of chest injuries back there.
When test results come out citing things like headlight issues, automakers take notice. For example,
the Ford Explorer and the BMW X3, they actually improved their headlights. We tested them previously and they didn't do well. The improved headlights perform much better, which is really important this time of year when it's darker at night as we get into winter.
Starting in 2026, the Institute will toughen its test requirements even more for the front overlap crash test, as well as adding improved front crash prevention and automatic braking tests. The Institute also wants to reduce fatalities 30% by the year 2030 in an initiative it calls 30 by 30. They'll do that by focusing on risky driving behaviors. That starts next year. Working for you, I'm the consumer guy, Steve Sprazier.